Welcome to Montessori Education.
మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్లు జరుగుచున్నవి. మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్, బుర్రిపాలెం రోడ్, తెనాలి. ఫోన్ 08644227115.
Welcome to 14th video, 10th grade Montessori English Medium School, Tenali. In the previous video, we ended with I Will Do It by Sudha Murthy, wife of Narayana Murthy, describing how Mr. Narayana Murthy has come up in spite of all the difficulties in his life and became the founder, a pioneer, an icon of simplicity and a pioneer of IT technology, IT way in India. So as a conclusion of this unit, we go to page number 8, unit 1, air reading vocabulary section. Not this, page number 8, unit 1, air reading vocabulary section. Here we have a list of vocabulary given which are positive and negative in quality. All of them are adjectives. Whatever you find positive, put a positive mark, and if you find them negative, put a negative mark. And if you find that these qualities describe Mr. Nick Vujicic, you can mark it as I. First one, the word positive. Positive itself is positive. Next one is negative. Of course you know negative. Optimistic. Optimistic is, what does it mean optimistic? Hoping that something positive or something pleasant would take place. Pessimistic, again negative, just opposite to optimistic. Generous, one who is lending a lot. Nervous, generous of course positive quality. Nervous again negative. Nervous means tensed, fearful. Confident, you know the meaning confident, positive quality. Smart, again positive quality. Sociable, mingling with people, positive quality. Next one is cowardly, Cowardly. Cowardly, again you have to pronounce them. Cowardly, and this word is again negative. Courageous, positive quality. Reliable, fit to be relied upon, positive quality. Independent, again positive quality. Dependent, negative one. Obedient is a positive quality. Trusting, positive quality. Valiant, showing courage. Valiant means showing courage, positive quality. Self-centered, self-centered is a negative quality. Arrogant, showing excessive pride. So what quality it is? Again negative. Sarcastic, sarcastic is making fun or mocking others, so it's negative quality. Quarrelsome, I don't need to tell you the meaning because some of you are quarrelsome, right? Negative quality. Rude, arrogant, I told you rude is arrogant, negative quality. Creative, creative is positive quality. Stubborn, not ready to accept anything. Stubborn is not ready to accept. Tenacious, stubborn, all this negative quality. Lazy, during this COVID season many of you are lazy, so you know the meaning of it, and it is always the negative quality. Pompous, pompous is self-important, arrogant again. Another meaning of pompous is self-important, negative quality. Level-headed, level-headed is positive quality. What is level-headed? Level-headed is not bending head because you have not committed any mistake. Level-headed, so it's also a positive quality. Now what you need to do is, as a part of today's homework, here we have all these vocabulary given there, and attribute positive or whatever qualities, and you need to find out examples from the text. For example, Nick was positive. We have seen that in spite of his disability, he has become great. So that is a positive quality. Again, optimistic. If you take optimistic as an attribute, you can find example of Nick being optimistic. Though he was born torso, he was optimistic that something good will happen in his life, and definitely he became better in his life. So like that you can attribute positive qualities or negative if you find to Nick Vujicic, and examples can be written from the text. For example, if you write arrogant, Nick was arrogant. Do you find any example in the text that Nick was arrogant? Not at all, because Nick was not at all arrogant, therefore you cannot write arrogant as an attribute to Nick. So please write only positive and try to write examples from the text. And if you want, you can do one more homework. That's about yourself. You can describe yourself in a short paragraph using positive and negative qualities you think fit to you. For example, you feel that you are optimistic that coronavirus will be subsided and medicine will be invented. So you say, I'm optimistic about corona or COVID-19. If you feel that confident, you can say, I'm confident, and you need to write an example how you feel that you are confident about. And you feel that you are sarcastic, negativities of course, you make fun of others, you can write example from your life. This way you can describe yourself in a short paragraph and send to my WhatsApp as a part of homework. Why I give you this homework in the middle, because I have noticed most of you open the video, go directly to the last part of it and see what's the homework there and just do it up without watching the total video. Thereby the class is lost in a way. So naturally I want all of you to watch all the video from beginning till end so that you will understand the lesson as well. That is the purpose. Next one is in the second Roman. Given below are words that describe the positive or negative attitude of a person. Discuss them with your partner. Since you don't have a partner, you can refer to a dictionary and write these words. If you, for example, how do you read this word? S-U-L-L-E-N. You have to pronounce the sullen. So, sullen is a negative quality because it is ill-tempered, bad-tempered. Next word is sneaky. Sneaky is dishonest. Exuberant. You have to pronounce exuberant. Very energetic, exuberant person. Next one. Exuberant is of course positive quality. Bossy. Bossy is boss, feeling that he is a boss of everybody. Very dominating character. Negative. Cautious. Cautious is very careful. He is very cautious about his career, and he is very careful. He is very selective. So you can write cautious. Imaginative. Imaginative again positive quality. Imaginary, imagining, imaginative. Again TIV, ending in TIV is always adjective. Observant, very observant. It's positive quality. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic, again you know the meaning enthusiastic, right? Very energetic, very exuberant person, positive quality. Outgoing, not self-centered, outgoing, mingling with the people, so naturally it's a positive quality. Next word is haughty. H-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Haughty, again arrogant person, head weighted we say. Next word, this word also you need to pronounce. Slovenly. Slovenly is disorderly, not at all arranged properly, very uncouth, untidy, disorderly. So you can call it, you can say slovenly is a negative quality. Next word again, obnoxious. Obnoxious is unpleasant, negative quality. Obnoxious, nausea. Stingy. Stingy, the other day I told you about the word spendthrift. In one word substitute, spendthrift means one who spends a lot of money. Stingy is a person just opposite to that, a miser, one who does not spend at all, very ungenerous person. So negative quality. Idealistic, a person who has got some idea and all that, it's a positive quality. Next word is a very beautiful word, affable. Affable is friendly. He is very affable with everybody. We can use it. Coming to page number 10 of Unit 1, A reading. Aggressive. Aggressive is very harmful or malignant. Aggressive. Competitive. So aggressive is negative. Competitive. Competitive, having a lot of competition. Competitive, positive quality. Finicky. Finicky is negative quality, difficult to please. We cannot make a person happy if he is finicky. So we say, my cousin is a finicky, my uncle is a finicky, and I am finicky. You can call it yourself also if you cannot be pleased with the things or words or whatever it is. Next word, intrepid. Intrepid is fearless, one who does not have any fear. Intrepid. Malicious. Intrepid is positive quality, right? Malicious. Malicious is negative, harmful. He is very malicious. His thoughts are malicious. Meticulous. Meticulous is again calculative, cautious. You can call it anything. Meticulous is a positive quality. Logical. Logically thinking. It's a positive quality. Next word is mean. What do you mean is a different word. What do you mean? Mean means what do you understand, what do you express, what do you expect and all that. Meaning. Whereas this mean is of poor quality, cheap, mean. Mean personality, negative quality. Cultured, very educated and cultured. So cultured is again positive quality. So this is again describing all these vocabulary. It's better you learn by heart and try to describe people, because when I ask people, how was the movie? They say, it's fine, it's good, it's super, they say. They don't have a vocabulary to describe the movie more than that. In the same way, when you want to describe a person, don't say he's fat or short or tall or black and all that. These are all attributes. But at the same time, you need to have some vocabulary to describe a person's quality and psychologically or socially. So you need to have all these vocabulary for a better communication. Again, as part of homework, 1 to 6, you need to tick the words for the underlined word. Of course, in the textbook it is not underlined, so I tell you to underline the words. Page number 10, third Roman. First sentence you underline tucked, T-U-C-K-E-D, tucked. Second one, distraught, distraught. Third one, bullying. Fourth one, mobility. Fifth one, adversity. Sixth one, convictions. I repeat, first one, tucked. Second, distraught. Third, bullying. Fourth one, movement. Fifth one, adversity. Sixth one, beliefs. Now what you need to do is, there are 4 options given. You need to tick the right word which carries the same meaning of this underlined word. For example, water sports are not Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin. Tucked means what? Kept, pulled, covered, tied. So it's clearly understood. Tucked in the sense kept under his chin. So kept is the right answer. So you need to tick option A. Same way is distraught mother. Distraught, anxious. So you can tick the answer. And the remaining I hope you will be able to do it yourself. Bullying, humiliation. Mobility, movement. Adversity, difficulties. Convictions, beliefs. So please do this as well. And send me the photo of this page to my WhatsApp number. Again, we have a 4th Roman. Read the following descriptions about persons and fill in the blanks with the words that match with these descriptions. For example, again a set of words are given there. Boorish. Boorish is again a rude or unpleasant person. Obnoxious, again unpleasant. Extrovert. Extrovert is a person who is outgoing, mingling with others. Compassionate, showing passion, compassion to people. meticulous, very calculative and careful. Timid, a person who is a very cowardly person, and you can say a fearful person. Next word you see, S-U-A-V-E. S-U-A-V-E. It's you have to pronounce suave. Suave. Here suave means confident, very confident. Introvert is a person who does not mingle with anybody, one who draws himself. Placid. Next word is placid. Placid is calm. Malicious. Placid is a positive quality. The last one is malicious, and it is harmful, malicious. So what you need to do is fill in the blanks using these words to complete the sentence and send to my WhatsApp. There are 10 of them are there. No need to write in a notebook, but instead you can write in the textbook itself and send me the photo of this. For example, one we do just for an example. Ashok is very unpleasant and rude fellow. I don't talk to him. He is, what type of person he is? Very unpleasant, very rude. You can call him boorish. He is boorish person. So please do that and send to me all these 10 words. Thank you and have a nice day.